Hi lovely moms entrepreneurs. Today I want to share with you how I discovered to implement new habits in my life. So I will say I have a secret formula, and this is actually a case of finding joy, finding things that makes you happy and transforming them into a habit. And you can do this on a daily basis. The easiest way is to actually identify 2 or 3 things that you like to happen in your life. 2 or 3 things that are short and very impactful. For example, I love to enjoy my cup of coffee in the morning, or I like a long bath, or I like to light up candles to change the atmosphere in the house. Or if it's about business related, what brings me joy, I love to read my clients' stories, their testimonials. I like to engage with them. I like to hear about their progress. So all those little things brings me joy. And how can I do that to be as a habit and to be part of my life without thinking about it? So what I do, I will just dedicate specific time every single day to complete 2 or 3 joys that I want. So I will say, for example, I know that every morning I will start my morning with a coffee, and then I'll make sure I will have long baths at least twice a week, for example. And in regards with my clients, I will make sure I have dedicated hours during the week when I will allocate time to ask for reviews, to ask for testimonials, and to double check with them on their progress and to track and monitor where they are. And if it's something very quickly, for example, I can just double check very quickly, sending them a message, posting on the group like a poll or a question or a Q&A, or going live, you know, those little things that will bring me closer to my clients, because this brings me joy. So what I would suggest is to make sure that you know what brings you joy, and then implementing that in your life as a new habit. The way I started, I remember I started saying that I would like to drink a glass of water every single morning, and I want to drink at least 2 liters of water every day for my own well-being, for my own health, to give me more energy, to get some minerals from the water. So this is how I started. Once I completed that and I saw my progress, I saw that I'm doing that like automatically without even thinking about it and becoming a habit, then I moved into bigger goals and more tasks and more things to accomplish and to transform my life into the best version, of myself, and to have a very fulfilled life. So I hope this tip will help you as well. Tell me in the comment below, what new habits would you like in your life? Thank you.